Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and just today I made a video when you're measuring something with a parallel dimension tool that it might not be dead on because we're at 0.67, and with this selected you can go and click on your parallel dimension tool and change the decimal places. So to do that, you'd have to click on your parallel dimension tool and change your decimal places to whatever you want it to. And you can see it's 0.6745. Well, one of my new mentors suggested this, and I've never really thought about it. Go to Windows and Dockers and go up to Object Styles. And right here in Object Styles, you can click on this and you'll get all this information, and you can change your decimal places to whatever decimal extension you want, and then go right here and save it as default, and every time it will do that. So let's just give it a test. We'll measure this with the parallel dimension tool, holding down the control button so we get a perpendicular line. And now you can see I got 0.6745 every time. And you could do this with everything, your artistic media, change the color, change the fill, change the graphic, change it from hairline to whatever you want under default object properties, and then or you could revert it back. But right here, you've got a place that set as new document default. So every time you start Corel up from then on, it'll be that. So go to Windows, Dockers, Object Styles, and you've got a lot of information here. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.